Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's November the 1st, guys. It's November 1st, but just want to say, I was going to say good morning, but it is not good morning. It's afternoon. I think it's like 12. Oh my God. And I went to go look for put my watch on, y'all. And somewhere yesterday, I lost the screw thing. So I'm going to have to put my watch in the shop, or not put it in the shop, but take it to the shop and see if the guy who actually fixed it when I bought it, if you guys remember some time ago, take it back there and let him put a thing on there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for all your love yesterday. Omari had a fabulous time, guys. He really knew his birthday was yesterday. And before, he didn't know how to say, you say, how old are you? He would say this or something. But now he knows, yesterday I just kept telling him, make sure you put up 4 fingers. But it's amazing how, I'm just thinking when he was little, he's been on earth for 40 years. It's really amazing. But trying to think what is on my agenda today. So guys, let me see. I got so much to talk about. So anyway, I'm waiting on some of my family members to come, and we're gonna go to back to Crazy Ben's. I think they are addicted. I think they are turned out. It's like a field trip or something, like every weekend. So hopefully they I don't know if they remember, but they said yesterday they will take me, or I can ride with them because they wanted to go. So hopefully that still goes, but they said they were on their way. We're gonna do that. And I'm not really looking for anything in particular. I would like to come across some more white curtains, white 100% cotton curtains, like this one here. So I can go ahead and finish that out. And not even just one, maybe two pairs or something, because I do have other places. And I'm trying to think what else. Oh, that chair like this one, if I can. And let me see, another mirror, which would be gold. Like I said, I wanted another round gold mirror to put in that hallway. And guys, I am really, well, first of all, we're having some crazy weather here. First of all, it has been blowing 50-mile-per-hour wind. So let me know in the comments, what is your weather here? I mean, not here, but what is your weather where you are? But yeah, what else is going on? Oh, outfit of the day. If y'all don't know anything, she gets all her stuff from Goodwill. I love this. It's 100% cotton cargo skirt. This is super cute, y'all. Super cute. But yeah, let me know in the comments what is going on in your neck of the woods as far as your weather. What else was I trying to say to you guys before? Oh, this week I have to make a decision. This couch, y'all, I am going to put it in that back room because I think that will be more, that is the sitting room, extra bonus room, but we need to sit in there more, for real. And then I'll put the new sofa, or the new, either sofa or love seat. I haven't really decided because, guys, what I was trying to tell y'all that I wanted, they are really the same in price. It's just, the couch would be just more people can sit on it. So I'm debating on that, but this weekend it will be going down. So that is something that I wanted to talk about. So when I go there, if I see something that I want, like a couch or something, they already know I would get it. That's really about it. And then look at these, y'all. Ain't they pretty? So gorgeous. They haven't opened up all the way, but yeah, how cute. How cute. And then I was working on these. So for y'all who all don't know, these are this is the Real Airwick housing unit. These are from the Dollar Tree. So I was taking out the leftover oil in this one because it ain't going to go, and pour it in this one so I can plug it back up. But you can take regular potpourri oil in the bottles and pour them in here and just snap it back in there. Yeah, so for all of you who didn't know that is what you can do. So guys, I will bring y'all along the journey if I find anything. Oh, another update, y'all. I have decided to get rid of the mirrored furniture in the bedroom. The dresser, yes, and the nightstand. So we'll talk about that in another video, okay? So I'll see you guys later on in the video. All right?
I see because I got this long coat on.
Oh,
too.
yeah.
Oh, it is on.
Yeah, it is
this coat.
Right. Your mother eats her own too. Yeah, I'm riding really classy today.
Right, we in the Porsche.
What you say?
We in the Porsche.
My hair backed up. We're on our way. I'll share treats with y'all later. You feel what?
Bougie. Classy, bougie, and ratchet.
Oh, Lord, no.
Okay.
Yeah, this is something I like. I really would like this. She said she would do it for like $30, but I'm not sure. And I don't want my video to get dinged, so I just can show you a little bit, okay? Y'all look at that real quick. Look at this. Look at this. They want $30 for that. Ain't that nice? Yeah, this console table is $45. Probably can be talked down. All this J.R. Watkins hand soaps and stuff for $3. Natural soaps.
That's a real price.
Huh? Natural soaps. Let me see. Universal thread. These sweaters, cardigans, are $3. 100% cotton. I'm gonna make this really, really quick. So I scored big, y'all. I found the matching another chair for $15. The Project 62. So they wanted 30, and then I got them down to 20, and then the guy remembered me from last time, y'all, and gave it to me. So I got this color. If you guys remember, this is a little lighter than the other one. So now I have a creamish color gray, a darker gray, and a light gray. So I'm gonna put this one in the kitchen with the other gray one. I think I'm gonna put the other one in the front room by that mirror. So I scored this. All the pieces are in here, and like I said, it's the Project 62. This one here. So if you guys, oh guys, it's too close, but if you guys are interested in that, that's what it looks like the other one. And then, y'all, I thought I had scored some curtains, but they end up being polyester, so I was pissed off about that. But I did get me some Be Kind shower gel, which is vegan, cruelty-free, all that stuff right here. I got that for $2. I also picked up some natural hand soap, cucumber and mint by Puracy. I got that for $2. I got this Amber Jar soap dispenser, which I already have a top to it, so I didn't care about it not having a top. They sold me this for $1. This is going in the bathroom. And one clothing item I spent $24, y'all, and 68 cents. So I got this cardigan, which is really pretty. All their clothing was $3. So this is by Universal Thread. It's a size small. It's an army green cardigan with pockets. So, yeah, I really appreciate that. And then the bonus about that is, y'all already know how I feel about my items. I like my stuff to be 100% cotton, so you can see that it is 100% cotton. So, let me see. My first time trying it on. I said $3. So yeah, this is how it looks. I was looking for an extra small because this seemed like it was too big. So y'all, it's snowing too today. We got snow today for the first time. So yeah, here is my cardigan. I just wanted an extra small. It still seems kind of big, but I know I'm small, but golly, I wanted but this is fine. I could wear it with a tank top or whatever. But yeah, guys, these are my finds. Let me know what y'all think below, and I will see y'all in another video. I am getting ready to sit down and devour some salad. And yeah, so let me know what y'all think. $24 I spent today. Like I said, I did find 2 pair of white curtains, grommets, but they were polyester, so that didn't work well. But I'm grateful for these things, and I'm grateful for that guy remembering me. So I was able to get what they marked on here, $30, another chair, another score. So now I have 3 as an extra seating. Like I said, for in here, I can either put it here or I can put it in the front room. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all in another video. Love you guys. Bye.